Well, we made it to the top of Mount Baker. It's freezing cold up here. The views are just so incredible. Completely white out. What do you think, babe?
This is awesome.
It's cold. I just drove a car up a snowy road, 2-wheel drive. Rental car. Obviously, it's a rental. We were gonna go hiking, but didn't realize it was gonna be 34 degrees up here. We knew it was gonna be cold, but I didn't think it would be this cold. That was crazy. We're in the middle of a snowstorm, basically. There's like 3 inches of snow on the ground here. Wanna go for a little walk? There's definitely people been going up here. Quick check-in, probably video number 2. We did Nookshack Falls this morning. Liz almost fell there. And we're hiking up Mount Baker a little bit. We just drove the car however many feet high this thing is. We're basically at the top. It's hard to breathe and it's freezing cold, but this is one of the coolest things I've ever done, because it was 55, 60 yesterday down on the mainland, I'm going to call it, and up here it's really chilly. I didn't bring enough clothes. I didn't think it would be this cold. It was pretty neat though. It's the end of September, so for all you people back home enjoying the 75-degree weather, I'm a block of ice up here, and it's all your fault, Liz, for dragging me. Whew. This is wild. This is pretty cool. I would have a snowball fight, but I don't want to get soaking wet. Look, she summoned. Just kidding. Alrighty, we are really far up here. Thoughts?
It's pretty.
Pretty cold. I think we came to the conclusion after seeing some of this and the wind, we think they got most of the snow today and right now. Looks like there's 3 or 4 inches on the ground. But yeah, if we would have come yesterday, probably wouldn't be as bad. The fog's incredible up here. There's a lot of mountain ridges around us, but you just can't see anything right now. So part 2 to the Washington is pretty cool. Put your hands up and smile. You can be like my cover photo. Hold on. Okay, now you just look awkward.
I feel awkward.
Come on. Maybe give me one of these. No. Yeah, if we had GPS or something, I would feel a lot more confident going a lot farther, but since we can't see much more than 100 yards. Oh, that's soft there.
We went over that and up in those.
Okay, let's go up there and then we'll turn around. Let's just see if we can see something. Go slow, because this might be slippery here. I was kind of over it when we first started, and now the farther we go, the more I'm like, ooh, let's go a little farther. Let's go a little farther. Let's go a little farther. And then before you know it, they're going to be sending a helicopter up here to try to find us. Search party. Oh yeah, you can see a little bit now. Check out that view. I wonder if there's any altitude. It's pretty high, but maybe. Maybe, just maybe. We were supposed to be fishing today on the river, but our trip got canceled because the river's blown out, I guess. So we're hiking instead. And this is a pretty cool alternative. This is neat. Up we go, some more stairs. Okay, we're gonna go up to here now, look over the edge, and then probably turn around. Just one more quick stop. Oh wait, maybe we're not even going that way. He went this way. Well, I think it's this way. Come on, you got it, you got it, you got it. Okay, whether you see it or not, there's a huge mountain there. If it wasn't so windy, and we were a little more prepared, I think we'd go down. But we might come back later in the week and try when it's a little less windy and the skies are clear and you can actually see the views. Right now we're just walking to walk. This is insane. idea. Sorry about the wind noise. I'm sure that's probably trash up here, but we're doing what we can. So when we get around this bend, you can see where we parked, but you can't physically see it. Yeah, we parked like way back here somewhere, but all you can see is just a white jumbled mess. My snot's running. We're heading back. Gotta say thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed episode 2 of the Little Washington series. There won't be any fish in this series, unfortunately, because my fishing trip got canceled, but we're making the best of it. All right, we're gonna record a wild Liz or wild Squatch. She made it look too easy. We made it back to the car, and now to get off the mountain. The real reason we're trying to head out of here pretty quickly is we don't have a 4-wheel drive or chains or anything. We passed about 1,000 signs that said you need chains to come up here, so we went ahead and sent it in the 2-wheel drive, which is like getting down.